In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Webull Desktop. Keeping your trading platform current helps ensure you get the latest features, stability improvements, and important security patches, so this quick update check is absolutely worth a minute. Before you start, make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and save any layouts, notes, or order tickets you're working on. Updates can briefly restart the app, and saving prevents you from losing anything mid-session. Begin by opening the Webull Desktop app on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Next, look for the settings or menu icon inside the app. Depending on your version, this may appear as a small gear or as 3 horizontal lines. You'll typically find it near the top corner of the window. Click that icon to open the settings menu. From there, navigate to the section labeled About Webull or something similar. This page generally shows your current app version and offers a direct way to check for new releases. It's the best place to confirm what you're running and to trigger an update. Now click Check for Updates. The app will contact Webull's servers and quickly determine if a newer version is available. If you're already on the latest version, you'll see a message indicating that you're up to date and you can carry on with your day. If an update is available, the app will display prompts to download and install it. Follow those on-screen prompts to start the update. You might be asked to confirm the download, choose Install Now, or approve a system permission so the app can make changes. Let the download complete and avoid closing the app while the progress bar is moving. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. If your operating system asks for permission during installation, approve it to proceed. When the update finishes, restart the app. In many cases, Webull will prompt you to relaunch automatically. If not, simply close the app and open it again to load the new version cleanly. After restarting, you should be on the latest build and ready to trade with the newest improvements. If you ever run into issues, like a stalled download or an installation error, double-check your internet connection and available disk space, and make sure your security software isn't blocking the updater. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the updated Webull Desktop experience.